What's up, YouTube? This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and this is probably one of the coolest leads I've reviewed in a very long time. If you do appreciate the content, if you've watched my videos before, they've helped you, let me know in the comment section. I'd like to know if these videos are actually helping you move forward online and being able to make money online. Whether you're new or you're returning, show some support by hitting the subscribe button, smashing the notification bell, like the video, comment on it, and share it with everyone you know. You never know who's actually looking to find the next thing to save them financially. If you didn't know, by the name of the channel, I help people make money online through various means, whether it be an online job, tips, tricks, hacks, sites, tools, programs, courses, you name it, I go through them. My preferred method of earning money online is affiliate marketing because it's very easy to start up and you can scale it to 3, 4, 5, 6 figures fairly quickly. I'm talking weeks and months. So if you want to follow along, I share these things with people and I help them make money online. So go ahead, subscribe, and let me know where you're watching from. No, I said earlier that this is one of the coolest leads I've seen in a long time, and that is because it has to do with a lot of gaming. Now, this company, Keyword Studios, is looking for a French and English player support agent, okay, for video gaming at their establishment. This at 12:11 p.m. was posted 4 hours ago, so it was posted at 8 this morning. It is a freelance position, it's full-time, and it is truly international, meaning you can work from anywhere in the world. Now, if you've never heard of Keyword Studios, you can, when you go to the description, there is a link that takes you to this page. You can press this button. By this button, I mean this button here. That link. Okay? Press that. Once you press that, it will open up the company's website and you can read, watch videos, learn more about the company and how they operate. All right? Now, again, they're looking for a French and English player support agent for video gaming. Now, Keywords Player Support is a fast-growing service line of the Keyword Studios company that offers customer service positions in the exciting gaming industry. Pioneers and leaders for over 20 years, we have been the premier international provider of services for companies that publish and develop MMOs, virtual worlds, social games, casual games, mobile games, and transmedia content. We also provide services to online payment and virtual goods providers. We are looking for French or English speakers to join our player support team on a project to work as a freelancer from home. Now, they're looking for someone who speaks French or English or both. Okay? And they're looking for several of them to fill these positions. Okay? Now here's what you're going to be doing at work. You would assist in video game players in troubleshooting their account issues via a ticketing system. So you don't talk on the phone. So they have the issues, they submit a ticket, it would go through their system or through email, and they will come to you where you will troubleshoot those issues for them so that they can continue gaming. You don't deal with people on the phone, which is a plus for many, but you still need to know French and English because many players will be speaking French, okay? Now, you would interact with our clients' customers for all the inquiries they could have about the game. You would assist the developer by forwarding them important information from all the issues you handle with customers. So these are the requirements. They require you to be excellently fluent in French or excellent fluency in French. Fluency in English would be an asset. Interest in video games. All eligible candidates will be required to take our language tests to better evaluate their written skills. Stable internet connection and a PC or laptop available. Availability to start in immediately as a plus. Available to work 40 hours per week, exact schedule pending to be confirmed. So they want people who are French speakers first, English second. And that's because this company will be looking to help people in the French market. Now, please note this position can be based anywhere in the world as long as you would like to work as a freelancer, and can dedicate the amount of hours proposed. Now, if this is something that interests you, maybe you have children, maybe you are let's randomly say Canadian, all right? Canada has a very good blend of English and French, whereas more French-based countries, especially countries that were colonized by France, tend to be more French-oriented. If you are someone from a region that speaks French and you've learned English, this is definitely for you, especially if you're into gaming. You don't need to be a teenager to be into gaming. Hey, video games are created by adults. All right? So if you think that gaming is just for children, you're lying to yourself. So if you want to make money online as a support rep for a gaming company, press this blue button. This blue button. Press it, enter your information, and you can be on your way to making money online as customer support for this gaming company. Now, earlier I mentioned affiliate marketing being my preferred source of income. If you will notice the links in the description below, one link, the top link, the first link you'll see, is actually a link that takes you to free information that shows you how you can make your own money online. And my dogs agree, you can make so much money online. If you click that link, it will take you to free resources that will teach you how to start your own online business very simply, step by step. And you will be taught by people who have made 8 figures from doing this simple online task. Now, if that's something that interests you and you want to start your own business, check out that link. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe. Smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so that every time a money-making idea comes out, you are notified first. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.